Everybody pack your stuff because we're going camping. That's right, today we will show you the top 5 best camper vans, so keep watching if that sounds like something you'd be looking to invest your hard-earned money into. Welcome back to our channel. Let's take a look into the list of top 5 best camper vans for road tripping and camping adventure. Before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos. Let's begin. Number 5. Outside Van. The outside van is more than ready to help you on your journey, simply because they are entirely unique, depending on what you need from a camper van. They make the absolute best fusion vans as well, and on top of that, they will also provide top quality customer service to make sure you have all the help you could ever need when customizing your dream machine. Number 4. Vanlife Customs. By far one of the most popular Canadian brands of all time, Vanlife Customs is a type of brand that you often see Instagram influencers parading around in while they spend their lives doing everything you wish you were doing at the time. You can actually experience the same thing by investing into one of their custom vans, as they are incredibly high quality, and on top of that, they offer full customer support to help you get the best bang for your buck you could ever get. Number 3. TouRig. The engineers behind TouRig's success are some of the best we've ever seen. And the coolest thing about them is definitely the fact that most of them have started out their careers in the marine, transportation, and construction trades, so they really know their stuff to say the least. Regardless of the weather and the rockiness of the road, you will feel like you're gliding through it with ease while you ride around in one of TouRig's best camper vans. Number 2. Glampervan. Despite the fact that Glampervan has only been around for a couple of years now, they've already shown that they will not be forgotten about anytime soon by providing some of the best vans we've ever seen out there. They also really love to mix in their colors, making the overall designs of their vans very kooky and special. So if that sounds like your type of deal, then definitely head over to their shop as soon as possible. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz Vans. Mercedes-Benz is literally a universally acclaimed brand that makes some of the best cars of all time. If you take a closer look at most of the custom camper vans from this list, they're all based on the mighty Mercedes Sprinter. And that car is amazing even when it comes out of the factory gates in its stock form. They also have the Metris, a smaller van which might be more appropriate for weekend adventures, but if you ask us, there's nothing like the Sprinter. So there you have it, the top 5 best camper vans for road tripping and camping adventure. Have you ever gone on a trip in a camper van? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.